Today I'm sharing my tried and true recipe for carrot cake cupcakes. And trust me, you're gonna love every bite. They're soft, moist, and packed with warm spices, then topped with the dreamiest frosting. Super easy to make and absolutely irresistible. Let's get started. First, let's mix our dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, I've got some flour, and to that I'm adding baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Now for the warm spices: cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves. Give it all a quick whisk, then set it aside. Now for the wet ingredients. In a large bowl, I'm whisking together brown sugar and granulated sugar, eggs, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Keep whisking until it's nice and smooth. This usually takes me about a minute or two. Consider it a mini arm workout. Time to bring everything together. Gradually add the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, folding gently with a spatula. A few streaks of flour are totally fine. We do not want to overmix this. And now for the star of the show: freshly grated carrots. I highly recommend grating your own carrots. It only takes a few extra minutes to grate them fresh, and trust me, it makes all the difference. Fold them in gently, and that's it. The batter is done. Scoop the batter into 12 cupcake liners, filling each about 2/3 full. Then pop them in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them so they do not overbake. Once they're done, let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. While those cool, let's make the frosting. In a large bowl, use an electric mixer to beat together softened cream cheese and butter until smooth and creamy. About 3 to 4 minutes. Lower the mixer speed and gradually add sifted powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Once it's all in, increase the speed back to medium-high and beat until light and fluffy, which usually takes me about 2 to 3 more minutes. Now for the fun part: decorating. Transfer the frosting to a piping bag. I'm using my favorite Ateco number 848 tip and pipe a generous swirl on top of each cupcake. To finish them off, I love adding a heavy sprinkle of cinnamon and some chopped toasted nuts for extra flavor and crunch. Pecans and walnuts work well with this recipe. And there you have it: moist, perfectly spiced carrot cake cupcakes with the creamiest cream cheese frosting. I hope you give these a try because they are so good. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and you'll find the full recipe linked in the description box below. Hit that subscribe button for more delicious bakes, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.